Bill Goudy checking in. Lucy Lou too. Yeah. Oh, it's a cold day. I think it's in the 20s. The river's not iced over, not yet. We've had warm up during the day and then cold at night. But that's not what this video is about. Look at that, huh? Giant fish hook, opening handle. Look at those stops. That goes up. Look at this. Grates. I don't know if I can lift that out of there. Yeah, like that. I don't know if you can see that or not, if it's bright enough. Looks good. Now we're going to start a fire in there.
Yeah.
And get it burned out.
Yeah.
Get it all, just one fire, one good hot fire, or are you going to do a couple of fires?
I don't know, I guess.
Yeah. And then you're going to put it to the test.
Put some meat in it.
Put some meat, cook some meat in there. Uh-huh. What do you think about that?
It's really cool.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah.
You're going to help load it up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
A little hesitation there. Yeah, yeah. All right. Looks good. I can't wait to see it in operation. Are you going to paint it?
Well,
Are we going to put some high temperature paint on the outside, or should we just
talked
let it
about
cook in
I wanted to get it hot first
and use it and see what if you're going to?
Yeah.
Well, I know I'm going to get questions. Are you going to paint it? Are you going to do this and that?
Well, I don't know
It's
yet.
as you go.
Yeah.
That's good.
I know people, I've seen them on the internet, they got their firebox too hot and bubbled their paint and stuff like that, so I thought I would do the burnout first and then make the decision whether I'm going to paint it or not. It's pretty Frankensteinish, so it might look cool, just
like it is. Well, if you use it like you're planning on using it regularly, it's going to be all burnt out anyway. I mean, it'll all be smoke colored and
yeah.
What you building?
A real stick burner, offset smoker.
Awesome. Looks good. A couple old water heaters.
A couple old water heaters. Some angle we had laying around.
Yeah. Boom. I'm anxious to see this project completed.
Me too.
I want to taste the product out of it.
Oh, me too.
Yeah.
Look at that one.
Looking good. Oh yeah. Not bad for a Harbor Freight welder. $114.
I make the flap so it doesn't just spin in there. Just cut that off a little bit.
Yeah, looks good.